Come on in. Foot. 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 Yeah, it was that my dad's cousin bought this farm in 1960.
Right, okay.
Basically, then my dad farmed alongside him. I kind of came home and farmed with Dad for about the last 25 years.
Yeah.
And basically, then me and Rachel have probably run things for probably 10 years now. When he arrived, it was, let's say, 200 acres, of which 100 was the moorland up there.
Yeah.
And now it's probably about 700.
So it's significantly grown.
Yeah. Basically then go, when you go out to the field and literally bring the cows in from the field. That journey from, they're bringing the milk from the field, they're bringing it, if you see what I mean.
Yeah.
So they've made it,
Yeah.
and it's there waiting in their udders, and it's kind of almost very natural, something very natural about it.
Yeah, massively, yeah.
Come on in! Come on in! When you milk in, the operator stands in a pit, which is like a metre deep, because then you'd have to bend down for the cow's udder. So basically you've got 24 down each side, but we call it a 24-48 because we've got a unit or a cluster that sucks the milk out. There's only 24 of them, so you put 24 on one side, and then as they finish, you swap them onto the other side.
Oh, okay, got you.
All right, then they walk out.
Both sides.
All right, they walk out while they're being milked.
Yeah.
You refill another 24 there, and then you swap those.
They go out.
They go out.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god!